See here, a lot of people are confused about that how to download your LinkedIn contacts. So here, your LinkedIn will be 10,000 connections are there. This is for your friends will be connected on your LinkedIn profile. If you are studying one, suppose one product, one business promotion purpose, if you need by your email address. Why? Because LinkedIn only support for your email address. If sending for any emails on particular person on your LinkedIn connections only, that is called. First of all, you can select your My Network. In the My Network, first of all, any application will be received on your for request on your friends purpose. Accept first. And this one, accepting here. After accepting, go to option call is. Your connection total will be 1976. Click for see all. In this option will be select for here. In this first, see this option call is manage, synchronize, import your contacts. Here, click for more option. Here download for all option will be there. This for import purpose. We go back. You can see here. Now you can see these options. Now click for manage, synchronize, import your contacts. Once clicking your options, see here, total how many connections are there? 1976. Here, one option will be upload for import will be called receiving purpose on your profile. Export for your download your contact purpose. Here option call is export your contacts. How many contacts will be the total? 1976. Receive for totally less than 2000 connection received for email address. Promote your business purpose. Click for export contacts. The contact will be downloaded for that take time for minimum 1 minute time. Sometimes they take for 1 hour also. Here, the work will be individual files or select for all files. Select it. Why? Because we can receive for all emails. Here. Registration, profile, message, and connection. I'm receiving for message members and my connection members, my article like members, everything I'm setting for in this option. Now here, request to achieve for downloading time will be minimum 10 minutes of time. I'm taking for 10 minutes or maybe taking for 1 hour for download process. After 10 minutes, same coming to this application on your LinkedIn profile, download your total connections. Click for request achieve, select your LinkedIn password. After that, see here, download will be still pending. You can download on your complete this option. Click for download here. Here, this application will come into once again. First of all, they go to where? Privacy. How to know come into privacy? Just click your LinkedIn account. Click here. Select option call is setting and privacy. Go to privacy option. In this one, come to here. In this option call is download your data. Come to this application, click for download after 10 minutes. This is called download your LinkedIn contacts using on your GIF format. They only support for GIF format. Or they support for CSV Excel sheet format.